Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a student from India planning to study in the USA, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will be discussing what luggage to carry and what not to carry when traveling to the USA as a student from India. So let's get started. Before you start packing, it's essential to know the do's and don'ts of packing for your trip. Let's begin with what you should definitely bring with you. First, make sure to bring all your important documents, such as your passport, student visa, I-20 form, acceptance letter from the university, and other relevant documents in a safe and secure folder. These are crucial for your entry and stay in the USA. Next, bring your laptop or tablet, as they will be essential for your studies and communication with your family and friends back in India. A power bank is also a must-have, as you may need to charge your devices on the go during your long flights or layovers. Pack enough clothes for the duration of your stay, keeping in mind the weather conditions of the place you'll be studying. Don't forget to bring some warm clothes if you are studying in a colder region. Personal hygiene products, such as toothpaste, shampoo, soap, and any other items you regularly use, should also be on your packing list. You may not find the same brands in the USA, so it's better to bring enough to last you for a while. Bringing some Indian snacks or food items that you love can be a great comfort when you are away from home. However, make sure to check the customs regulations and restrictions on food items before packing them. Now, let's talk about what not to carry when traveling to the USA as a student from India. First and foremost, do not carry any illegal substances, such as drugs or narcotics. The consequences of getting caught with illegal substances can be severe and may result in legal actions and deportation. Avoid carrying excessive cash with you. Instead, opt for safer options like traveler's checks, debit cards, or credit cards. Carrying too much cash can make you a target for theft or robbery. Do not carry any restricted or prohibited items in your luggage, such as firearms, ammunition, fireworks, or hazardous materials. These items are not allowed on flights and can result in serious consequences. Finally, do not carry any counterfeit or fake items, such as fake designer goods or counterfeit currency. These items are illegal and can result in legal actions and penalties. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide on what luggage to carry and what not to carry when traveling to the USA as a student from India. Remember to always check the latest customs regulations and restrictions before packing. If you follow these guidelines, you will have a smooth and hassle-free journey to the USA. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. If you have any questions or need further information, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and safe travels to all the students heading to the USA.